Hey team, let's take a look at our ground squats. Looks like this. Benefits of this exercise: full body integration, high metabolic demand. Let's break that down. We're gonna start in our push-up position or our plank, abs braced, leaning forward over our hands, nice long spine. From here, pushing through our palms, bending our knees, pushing our hips back towards our heels, coming all the way back to that plank position. Common fault here is not pushing through the hands and getting the hips back, and then same just like your push-up, too much lumbar flexion or extension. So let's talk about a regression and progression strategy here. If being up on the hands ends up being too much, you can drop to the knees, push all the way back, coming back up, back onto the toes. Make sure we come all the way back into that plank position every time. That is your ground squat.